How you doing?
Good. You want some information about
Yeah, I was just about to ask you, because that looks awfully interesting.
So we do audiobooks for people that can't see well enough to read regular print or physically can't hold books.
Okay.
Sit up to read, turn pages. It's a free service we do all over South Carolina.
Awesome.
So we do everything through the mail, and we loan out players, or if they want to download, they can download.
Let me take a little.
This is the player.
That's awfully interesting.
And the books are recorded, it's really on USB drives.
Okay.
But it's just on a little cartridge to make it a little bit easier
That's
to
nice.
handle. And so everything goes through the mail, and then they don't even pay postage.
That is all right.
It's a free service through the Library of Congress. So you could go to Iowa or Nevada if you're going to the Super Bowl, and they would have the same things that we have.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate that information. We're going to share it with somebody else as well.
Okay.
I'm doing real good. I remember this last year. Yeah, I remember this. Y'all done stepped it up a little bit, I see. I like that. So tell me a little bit about what you got going
All
on.
right, I represent CapTel. We are a captioning telephone for anyone with hearing loss. They can read what the other person is saying, but the best part about it is it actually remembers the conversation.
Oh, wow. Transcripts.
Yes, so if you miss something on the call, you can go back and read it.
That's nice.
And it also has an answering machine, so all of your messages are captured. I'll show you what that looks like. And it is absolutely free. There is no cost involved with the phone or the captioning service.
Okay.
We'll even come out and set it up for you.
Marvelous.
Great program.
If you need to change your appointment, please give us a call right away at 608-555-2589. Thank you and have a nice day.
Well, I certainly appreciate that, ma'am. Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
for spreading the word.
Yes, ma'am. And you enjoy the rest of your day.
That is a great change.
That's why I'm on it. I'm hard at work.
I know.
I am not having fun.
No.
I'm not. I promise you I'm not.
People see it.
No way.
People see it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I'm with Affordable Medical over in the corner over there, and I'm just riding around documenting all the vendors, just trying to put together something so we can put on our YouTube so that somebody else may be able to be aware of what we had going on today.
All right.
So what would you like to share?
Well, we have
I like that. I like
we
that.
have our fire escape planner.
Yes.
And also what's really important, right here we have this email address. If anyone needs smoke alarms in their house,
Really?
they can send an email to us and we can get their free of charge. And they will come in, they will install it.
See, and where would they need to go if they're not able to get to that email address? Do you have a phone number or somewhere else?
Let's see. They can look up, hang on, let me.
Yeah, take your time. Take your time, take your time.
Get the office number up.
Because I want to make sure that anybody that needs it got it. 803-896-9806.
Yes. Also, they can call their local fire department.
Okay.
Not 911.
Okay, okay.
But the local listed number.
Okay.
And they can help them.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.